What's wrong with this fan? What happens when this fan turns on?
It blows into the upstairs into my daughter's bedroom.
And how do you know that?
Because I heard it and then I moved her bed a little bit and I could feel the breeze blowing up on the side.
From this fan in the kitchen?
Yes.
So if you cook like steak in here, you could smell the steak in the bedroom?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, could you tell me what I'm looking at right here?
This is the air blowing from the exhaust fan in the kitchen into my daughter's bedroom.
Through the outlet?
Through the outlet.
Are you sure? Do me a favor. Go down and turn off the fan, count to 5 and then turn it back up.
Okay.
Let's make sure this isn't like some type of cross connection with your supply duct. Yeah. It's turned off. Count to 5. Alright. Turn the exhaust fan back on. Unbelievable. Can I put this on YouTube? Unbelievable.